Vistara shares its expansion plans.
We expect to add about 10 to 12 aircraft in the next fiscal until March 2020, including 2 787s and a couple of AC-21s. And we hope to begin international destinations. And once we get the designation from the government for international, we will start adding gradually international as well.
Austria Tourism concluded a series of workshops promoting the destination as an ideal summer getaway.
We started our workshops in Mumbai. We had a B2B event for about 140 agents in the 4 seasons in Mumbai, and we went to Ahmedabad. We had more than 100 agents. The interest was huge in Austria, and we had the event in Delhi.
Had another increase of about 7% of visitors from India. We had around 63,000 guests coming in 2018 to Vienna.
We had about 61,000 overnights in 2018, and it's a plus of 1.4%, and we are pretty satisfied.
So India is the 3rd most important market after Germany and Austria.
We are very much looking into the FIT guests staying a little bit longer, so the average stay at the moment is about 2 overnights.
It's docked on time and very well planned.
It was a great platform. We got to meet some agents who we would have not normally been able to meet that easily.
I think the best thing about this is the precision with which it is run, and of course the agencies keep changing, which is very good for us.
Global destinations to expand their footprint at a steady pace.
2018 was a very good year. We saw 25% growth, which was unexpected because 2017 was equally good. I'm hoping 2019, with of course being an election year, we get equally good results. But we've been very conservative in setting our targets. We every year go and introduce ourselves into a new market. So last year we went into Surat. This year in the first quarter we are going to Raipur. So that's another new market we want to introduce.
According to WTTC, tourism will contribute 8.4% of total employment by 2028.